This is gonna be your secret of success. And you might be asking, like, what the fuck is that? Is that a black book? Is that a death note? Nah, bro. This is a journal. And you already see, bro, it's full again. Journaling, in self improvement especially, is something that's very underrated. Like getting a pen, like this one, and starting to write something down feels like very unnatural and like a break in your self improvement. Like self improvement is always very fast, Go to the gym, do some push ups, make money. It's always like, snap, snap, snap. And then you have journaling, which is opening up a journal, getting a pen, and writing down something. That's something that's very unnatural at the beginning. But the crazy part is, it basically has just advantages. Do you want to be creative? Do you want to be clearly minded? Do you want to just be as chill as possible with your homies without overthinking shit? And I made a guide again over that. A journal is a key piece. I have two journals. I have this small one, this new, but it's already like fucking getting written down, boom, boom, boom. And like a hard one. It's on my bed right now. Where like I split it up, right? Like fast notes, I always carry this. So if you have like a video idea, or you have a business idea, or whatever, you have to write something down really fast. Boom, boom. And you can also use this as like a bookmark to later use it on a big notebook. Sorry. The concept of journaling isn't okay. What should I journal, Bricky? I don't know what to journal. The concept is just start doing it. Like literally, I'm telling you, bro. Get a piece of paper if you don't have like a notebook or a book you can write in, and just write something down, like something that you're feeling inside. It could be the dumbest shit. It could be, oh, okay, the weather's nice. I appreciate the nice weather. It could be, man, what the fuck is this guy talking about? You can literally write that on fucking paper. The whole concept of journaling is clear your fucking mind from dumb shit. So you can use your brain at the whole capacity. The big book, I have a big journal, right? The big book I use for like writing down big. Oh my god, how often did I use big now? Long form, literally long form. Could be like a script for a YouTube video. I'm fucking unscripted, right? I talk like a fucking freestyle artist because I'm fucking unscripted all the time. But also could be just your inner thoughts, like your purpose, that they are very important to you. You can use that hard journal. Jesus Christ, the word hard. You can use that big journal. Oh, I have one here. I just saw. I have multiple of these. You can write like the deepest shit in it, and then for quick notes, use a small one. And you often see me with like cargo pants, because I fucking love cargo pants where you can put everything in it, stuffed inside the pants. Boom, boom. A pen. You should always carry a pen. Sorry, but come on. If you don't have a pen in your pants right now, I'm not talking about that pen. Get a pen and stick it up your pants, bro. Not up your ass. I'm so fucking goofy, bro. Jesus. Journaling. Trust me, bro. If you still haven't written anything down on a piece of paper in front of you, then do it now, bro. It could be like, man, this is stupid. But once you make the first move on the chessboard, there's just a whole game to be played then. Then a new chapter of life opens up to you. I know it sounds like hella like over dramatic, and it kinda is. That's how I talk. But I was in your position. I didn't believe in journaling. I was like, man, what the fuck? I'm not fucking, we'll call it Mr. Einstein, creative, whatever. Now I can just talk freely. Now I can just like speak like I'm a fucking giga chat, bro. It's crazy. Truly crazy. How just writing on a piece of paper, even as small as this one, really brings up your like inner mentality, your psychology, or your psychology skill set. I give you one homework for the next video. The next video we watch, I upload randomly. But for the next video we watch, I want you to already have a notebook ready. I want you, if it's possible, to order one, buy one, make one. I don't fucking know what you want to do. So for the next video, you can take notes and take action. Like I said in like my first two videos, I don't know. Trust me, bro. You can always trust me, but trust me now, bro. Journaling is fucking amazing. Other than that, bro, I wish you a nice evening. For me, it's like pretty cold, pretty dark outside now. Maybe for you it's morning, maybe it's noon. Other than that, bro, make the best out of the day you can. I'll see you in the next video.